What if I told you that dealerships and detail shops are charging you $150 to $300 per service for minor fixes that you can tackle yourself at home using a $2 bottle of hydrogen peroxide? Yes, that's right. In this video, we are taking on 11 common car problems that you can fix at home using this humble $2 bottle of hydrogen peroxide. Stick around until the end, because just hack number 3 can save you over $150. Let's dive in. Hack number 11. The mold and musty AC vent flush. Ever turn on your AC and get hit with that damp locker room towel smell? Don't worry, I have a secret hydrogen peroxide hack for you. Actually, moisture naturally condenses on your car's climate control evaporator core inside the dark HVAC housing. Whenever air flows over these fins, then foul odors blow directly into your cabin that causes nasal irritation for over 65% of drivers. Dealerships regularly bill $150 to $180 for an HVAC fogging service or evaporator flush. But standard 3% hydrogen peroxide offers a highly effective oxidizing alternative. Here is how to use hydrogen peroxide for your AC. Step 1. Mix a 50-50 ratio of 3% hydrogen peroxide and distilled water in a fine mist spray bottle. Step 2. Start the engine, turn the HVAC system to maximum fan speed, and set air intake to fresh air mode, but make sure the recirculation is off. Step 3. Open the hood and locate the exterior air intake cowl vents located at the base of the windshield. Step 4. Spray 15 to 20 fine mist pulses directly into the cowl intake while the fan runs at full blast. The peroxide atomizes through the system and kills mold spores on contact. Step 5. Allow the system to run on fresh air mode for 5 full minutes to dry out ductwork completely. Most drivers notice instant improvement in their AC air smell after this trick. Hack number 10. Restore seatbelt performance. Seatbelts absorb years of skin oils, body sweat, and ambient dirt. Detailing shops charge $100 for hot water extraction on safety belts, while dealership service departments often claim a slow belt requires a complete assembly replacement costing $350 or more. But here, hydrogen peroxide acts as a lifesaver for you. It costs almost nothing, but it can instantly restore your seatbelt smooth performance. Here is how to use it. Step 1. Pull the seatbelt out to its maximum length and secure a heavy-duty spring clamp near the retractor slot to prevent it from pulling back in. Step 2. Mix 1 cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide, 2 cups of warm water, and 2 drops of liquid dish soap in a bucket. Step 3. Submerge the extended belt fabric into the bucket and make sure not to submerge mechanical metal retractors or anchors. Step 4. Allow the fabric to soak for 15 minutes. Step 5. While soaking, gently scrub stubborn stains with a soft bristle detailing brush. Step 6. Wipe the belt firmly using a clean microfiber cloth and allow it to air dry completely before removing the clamp. Hack number 9. Restore headlights. Have your headlights turned yellow, cloudy, and hazy over the years? Before you spend $150 to $180 at a restoration shop, there is a simple DIY method you can try using something that costs just a few dollars: 3% hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. Modern headlight lenses are made from polycarbonate plastic, and years of UV exposure, heat, road grime, and oxidation can leave a dull yellow layer across the surface. Here is how you can clean up that oxidation and make your headlights look dramatically clearer. Step 1. Clean the headlight lens with plain water. Step 2. Now dry the lens thoroughly to remove surface road dirt. Step 3. Combine 3 tablespoons of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of 3% hydrogen peroxide in a small bowl to form a thick paste. The baking soda acts as a mild abrasive, while peroxide breaks down oxidized UV residue. Step 4. Apply the paste directly to the headlight using a clean microfiber cloth. Work in tight, overlapping circular motions for about 2 minutes, making sure you cover the entire lens evenly. Step 5. Let the slurry sit on the lens face for 60 seconds to allow the chemical reaction to break down dead surface polymers. Step 6. Rinse the lens thoroughly with clean water, then buff dry with a dry microfiber towel. Boom! Now your headlight lens has been restored and look clear like new again. Hack number 7. Restore wiper blade. If your windshield wipers are streaking, chattering, squeaking, or leaving a hazy film behind, don't automatically assume you need a new set. Dirty, oxidized rubber can lose its ability to glide smoothly across the glass, especially after months of road grime, dust, and UV exposure. Before spending $60 to $80 on replacement blades, try cleaning the existing rubber with 3% hydrogen peroxide. It can help remove surface grime and oxidation and potentially bring a neglected blade back to smoother operation. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Lift the wiper arms away from the windshield until they lock into the vertical service position. Step 2. Lightly dampen a clean microfiber pad with 3% hydrogen peroxide and add 1 drop of liquid dish soap. Step 3. Gently pinch the rubber wiper edge between the microfiber pad and slide it along the entire length of the blade, from one end to the other. Step 4. Repeat the pass 2 to 3 times until the pad stops picking up black, oxidized dirt and road grime. Step 5. Wipe the rubber squeegee dry with a clean microfiber towel, then gently lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield glass. And there you have it. Your wiper blades have been restored. Hack number 6. Deep clean fabric floor mats. Your floor mats take an unbelievable amount of abuse. They are exposed to mud, food, drinks, sweat, and whatever you accidentally step in outside the vehicle. Professional auto detailers typically charge $100 to $120 for hot water carpet extraction and deep foam scrubbing on floor mats alone. But you can clean your fabric floor mats in free using hydrogen peroxide. Here is how to use it like a pro. Step 1. Remove the fabric floor mats from the car so you don't introduce moisture into the cabin. Step 2. Thoroughly shake out the mats or vacuum them from top to bottom. This step is critical because loose dirt, the more dry contamination you remove now, the better your final results will be. Step 3. Mix 1 cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide, 1 cup of warm water. Shake the bottle gently to create a uniform cleaning solution. Step 4. Spray the solution generously over the entire carpeted surface of the mat until the fibers are thoroughly damp. Step 5. Blot firmly with a clean, dry microfiber towel and allow the mats to air dry completely before reinstalling. Boom! What looked like a stained, neglected floor mat can often be transformed into a much cleaner and fresher-looking surface with just a few household ingredients. Hack number 5. Sanitize high-touch steering wheels and buttons. That shiny steering wheel might look like polished leather, but in many cases, that shine is actually a layer of skin oils, sweat, sunscreen, and hair product residue that is built up over thousands of miles. Every time you grip the wheel, you're adding another layer of contamination. Over time, this buildup can make the surface feel greasy and slippery and can contribute to premature wear. Instead of aggressively scrubbing the leather, you can restore your steering wheel original factory matte finish using hydrogen peroxide. Here is how to use it. Step 1. Mix 1 part of 3% hydrogen peroxide with 2 parts of warm distilled water in a small bowl. Step 2. Dip a plush microfiber cloth into the solution. Step 3. Gently wipe down the leather steering wheel rim in small circular sections, watching the slick shine dissolve into a rich, matte finish. Hydrogen peroxide breaks down body oils and organic sebum without stripping natural moisture from the underlying hide. Step 4. For textured leather, stitching, and hard-to-reach grooves, use a soft horsehair detailing brush lightly dampened with the same solution. Step 5. Finally, buff the entire steering wheel dry with a clean microfiber towel, and then apply a light coat of leather conditioner to lock in natural moisture. It is looking dramatically cleaner. Hack number 4. Restore battery performance. See that white, blue, or green crust building up around your battery terminals? Battery terminal corrosion creates parasitic electrical resistance that reduces cranking amperage by up to 35% and leads to false alternator failure diagnostics in over 20% of auto shop visits. Dealerships and local repair shops typically charge $60 to $80 for a basic terminal cleaning and anti-corrosion spray service. But you can clean the corrosion yourself using baking soda and 3% hydrogen peroxide. Here is how to perform this hack. Step 1. Put on safety glasses and rubber gloves. Step 2. Disconnect the negative battery terminal, followed by the positive terminal using an end wrench. Step 3. Mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of 3% hydrogen peroxide in a small container. Step 4. Now, scrub the posts with a stiff battery terminal wire brush. Step 6. Finally, wipe the posts completely dry with shop towels. Apply a thin coat of dielectric grease and reattach the battery terminals securely. Boom! That nasty crust is gone, and you've restored a much cleaner electrical connection without immediately reaching for your wallet. Hack number 3. Degrime engine bay plastic covers. Engine bay plastic covers, air intake boxes, and valve covers accumulate a stubborn coating of heat-baked engine oil vapors, road grime, and atmospheric dust. Professional engine bay detailing can easily cost around $150, and using high-pressure water around sensitive electronics can create unnecessary risks. But here, hydrogen peroxide acts as a lifesaver. It breaks down organic oil dirt binders on engine plastics effervescently, floating grime away without requiring high-pressure water streams or aggressive chemical compounds near delicate engine electronics. Here is how to perform this hack. Step 1. Ensure the engine bay is completely cool to the touch before applying any liquids. Step 2. Spray 3% hydrogen peroxide directly onto dusty, oily plastic engine covers and intake shrouds. Step 3. Let the solution dwell for approximately 60 to 90 seconds. This gives it time to loosen surface grime and the oily film that's holding dust against the plastic. Step 4. Agitate heavily soiled or textured plastic areas using a soft detailing brush. Step 5. Finally, wipe everything down with a clean utility microfiber towel. Turn the towel frequently so you're always working with a clean section, and make sure no moisture or residue remains around sensitive components. Hack number 1. Remove coffee and beverage stains from upholstery. Coffee, tea, and dark soda spills create complex stains consisting of lipid fats from milk, organic tannins from coffee beans, and dark natural pigments that bind tightly to synthetic automotive fabric fibers. Industry statistics show over 85% of interior upholstery stains stem from tannin-rich beverages, which set permanently in fabric matrices within 10 minutes of drying. Attempting to scrub beverage stains with standard soap and water often spreads pigment outward. However, using 3% hydrogen peroxide can help to safely remove coffee and beverage stains. Here is how to perform this hack. Step 1. Blot fresh spills immediately with a dry cloth to absorb excess liquid volume without spreading the stain. Step 2. Mix equal parts liquid dish soap and 3% hydrogen peroxide in a small container. Step 3. Apply the solution directly to the stain using a soft bristle interior detailing brush. Step 4. Work the mixture into the fabric in gentle, circular motions, working up a light foam to lift pigments. Step 5. Press a clean, dry microfiber towel firmly into the seat cushion to absorb the lifted stain solution, then let dry. That's all for this video. Over $2,000 saved just by using a simple $2 bottle of hydrogen peroxide instead of booking expensive shop appointments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.